Hello, everybody. So today we will learn for 8.1, 8.1, which we can do. This one is hypothesis, hypothesis, testing, testing. So like we know, as we know, first we have mute. Mute is that for we can go for the um they have two options for Z and T. Z and T. So for Z, that is 8.1, and for T, that is 8.2. So if 8.1, so the sigma is known, no, for Z. 8.2, the sigma is do not know T. And pro, or we can say P or pro, that is 8.3. This one for Z, and sigma square. This one for the 8.4. This one is chi square. So as we know, for the M0, so this one is claim. Okay, that's one is claim. And as we know, so this one is right hand or right tail. This one is left tail. This one is two tail or two tail method. So for this, as we remember two tail, that's an alpha over two. So this one is one tail, test, which is alpha. So we have this one is alternative, alternative, and this one is hypothesis, alternatives, hypothesis. Hypothesis. So this one test. So that's one is test statistic. Test statistic. So and also we know this on the 6.3. That's one 6.3. And we have region. So we can say R. This one a two. We have two method. So if we have alpha or Z alpha, so Z alpha, this one should be HA, that is Z alpha. minus Z alpha. This one is the left and plus and minus Z alpha over 2. So this one is 2 test. So as we know, we have 1.26, that's the alpha, and 2.58, and 1.64, and 2.33. And we have a p method, p-value, p-value. So p equal p z greater than z star. So this one is 6.3, 6.1, actually 6.1. So this one is 6.1. Okay. And then or still the same thing, p equal p z less than z star. This one is the ring area, or p 2 p z greater absolute value z star. So for the summarize, we have two things too, even reject XO or fail to reject, to reject XO, or we can say F, T, or XO. So we can go, for example, a company ABC produce a car battery. The CEO of the company claimed his battery lasts at least 5 years. A consumer advocacy group surveys 49 past owner of the ABC battery. The example had mean 4.3 years and the standard deviation is 1.6 years. There's enough evidence for the CEO claim or not. So we use is when the alpha equals 0.05. So as we know, the claim. So a claim, so his battery is 5 years. Okay, and 49 pass and 4.3 years. So we have enough information. Now, mu should be greater than or equal for 5. So 5 years. So this one is claim. N is 49. X bar is 4.3. Alpha in here is 1.6. So step one. XO mu equal 5. XA is mu less than 5. So this one is left tail. So as we have a formula, Z star equal square root of n x bar minus mu over sigma So we have square root of 49 and 4.3 minus 5 over 1.6. So this one is the sigma, not the alpha. So I apologize for this one is sigma, not the alpha, because standard deviation. So this one is after we do the calculations, everything, this one is minus 3.06. We can highlight that. Okay. So step 3, our method of reject region. So Z at 0.05, which was minus 1.64, because they already give us. So we have to draw this one a minus 1.64, and this one 0, fail to reject XO, reject region. So as we can see, because this one is 0 point minus 3.06, so they fell in here. So this one reject region. So this one we highlighting it, so they fell into there. So this one is step 4, reject XO. There is not enough evidence to support the claim that the battery will not at least 5 years. So it's not at least 5 years. Okay, so I can show you the calculator. So I can show you for the calculator. Okay, so we clear that. First, we have that test. So test, that test, and we go to one, one, so one Z test, Z test. So right there, one to Z test, and then input start, input start. We go input to start. And then milk 0, which was we have 5. Milk 0, we have 5. Yes. So milk we got 5. Sigma we got 1.6. 1.6. X bar 4.3, and N is 49. X bar 4.3, N is 49. And we go for the milk, should be less than mu 0. So right here. Okay. Enter for that. And whatever the color you want. So we can go calculate. And we hit the calculate. So we can see that you see that's 0 here. 0 minus this one. See? Or can we draw it? Okay, go test, start, test, 1, test, and we have everything already. We can, let's see, can we draw it? Let's see if they draw it or not. They're still working for the drawing right now. Yes, right there. See, that is Z test all the way back there. Okay, and now we go for the mu. So we go for the, not the mu, we go for, so p-value test, value method. We do the same thing. Step 1, step 2, same. Step 3, so we got P equal P of Z less than Z star. So Z star equal, so Z star that is equal for the minus 3.06 we have already. So P equal P of Z less than minus 306. With P equal 0.00011, 0.011. So we can draw it, because I will show you for the calculator. We'll show you for the calculator. So that's okay. 0, this one minus 3.06. So I can show you how to do it right now. Okay. We can say second var. So second var. Let me hit the calculator up. And this calculator up. So we can clear this. Second lap, and we hit to number 2. Norm, normal, normal, CDF. So we hit to number 2, normal CDF. Okay, hit that. And the lower is 9999, whatever you call. So this one is RR, and this one is failed to recheck XO. Okay, so the lower, the upper, minus 3.06, and mu is 0, and sigma is 1. So minus 9999, and the upper minus 3.06, and the mu 0, and we paste that, and it should be right there. See this. So so this one recheck region. So step 4, recheck XO. So we have the same thing like that. Okay. So okay, another example. Go with another example. The blue bowl claim that amount of the sugar is the energy drink. So 16 ounces is, so this one is at most 50 grams of a sugar. Example, 90 drinks has mean of 55 gram. The standard deviation is 5 gram. Is that enough? The evidence to claim that to have the blue boat claim at. So we have alpha is 0.025. Used for the both method test. We use the both method test. So we have milk that is, let me see, 50 gram, 50 gram, at most, I mean less than or equal 50. So this one is claim. And N, this one is 90. So sample for 90 drink. And X bar, as is 55. That's the mean. So the standard deviation sigma is 5. So we have the step 1, XO mu equal 50, XA as mu greater than 50. So this one is right tail. So step 2, V star equal square root of N X bar minus mu over sigma. So this one is square root of 90, 55 minus 50 over 5. So this one is 9.49. So this one, after we do the calculations, everything. So that's one. So 9.49. Okay. Step 3. Uh, RR, recheck region method. So Z 0.025. So this one 1.96. So we can draw this one. So this one right here. And so right here, 1.96. RR failed to reject XO. And okay. As we see this one 9.49. So they all the way out here. All the way out here. You see this? All the way in here. So this one, this means fail to, no, this means reject region. So step 4, reject XO. Therefore, mu greater than 50. There is not enough evidence within to support the claim that the drink. Okay, now I can show you for the calculator. I can bring the calculator up. Bring the calculator up. Okay. We do the same thing. Second, start. No, second var. No, not a second. Start. There you go. So sometime I forgot. So sorry about that. So we do start. And we go for test. And we go for number 1. This one is Z test. So number 1, Z test, we do the same thing like the one is before. So input is start and mu 0 is 50 and sigma is 5, X bar is 55, N is 90, and mu greater than mu 0, so calculate. Cool. Okay, test. So we have mu as 50, sigma as 5, x bar 55, and as 90, and rated in, rated in, and then calculate. So right there, z is 9 point something. So we can see this. Okay, we can see this. Okay, so that um okay. Okay, now p-value method. P-value method. So step 1, step 2, then step 3. So P equal P Z rather than equal to Z star, but Z star in here. So we have already 9.49 and P, not R. So P, so P Z rather than 9.49. 9.49, which was, we got 1.17 e to the minus 21. Something. Okay, now we can draw this. Okay, so right here. So this one 9.49. This one is 12 to reject XO. This one 0. This one RR. Okay. So so this one we say reject. Step 4, reject, because they're really smart. So this one right here, they fell into here. So reject. Let me highlight it. Okay. So reject XO. Therefore, mu is 50. Or we can say P is, so this one reject less than alpha. So this one reject XO or P. So alpha. This one failed to reject XO. So this one is just a note. Now we can use this. So we can use this. Okay. Second valve. The second valve. The second valve. The quick this. Oh, maybe this. Clear. Second valve. Hmm? No, quick. The second what? No. Valve. No. Quick. Second. Second valve. There you go. Second valve. And we go to a norm CDF. Normal CDF. So number 2. Normal CDF. Okay. Your number 2. Normal CDF. And we get the lower is 9.49, upper 9999, whatever is that, and mute 0, sigma is 1, and page. So this one is 9.49, and the upper 9999, and the same thing, and we hit again. So this one right here, so 1.7, so e to the 21. Okay, so that is, and then we have the type 1 and type 2 arrow. So we have a type 1 and type 2 arrow. Let me go down here. We can show this. Okay. So type 1, type 2. So we have this. Let me go put it. Okay. So type 1 we check. So XO is accurate. Accurately. Sorry, XO is accurate. So this one we have true, and this one we have false. And we have right here, we have a P, type 1, arrow, arrow. So we check XO. So this one should be equal alpha. So this one is fail to recheck XO. If we use the tab 1, tab 1 is error, but fail is correct. And fail to recheck is correct, but tab 2 by tab 2 error. So if we say right here is accept right here, tab 2 say accept XO. So this one is fail to recheck. So fail negative. So this one is P tab 2 arrow. So this one we can say beta, or we can have alpha plus beta not equal 1. So this one is tab 1 and tab 2 are not the opposite of each other. So power and then power of the test. So this one is 1 minus beta. So thank you for this one. Done for 8.1.